Welcome to Kabungawan Beach. Ito na isang model natin kumain.
Miguel!
May filter talaga na nila. After a long ride, the first time before the year ends, we go again. So ayan po, titingin po tayo ng cottage. Andito na tayo sa Kabungawan Beach Resort, and we are currently looking for a cottage near the beach, of course. Marex, how are you?
Sobrang init, oh my god.
Pabili po? Bibili ka? Ha?
Hindi ako bibili.
Ayan. So ayan guys, pupunta tayo sa may death pool. Yan, kasama ko yung mga friends.
Hi, sawadika.
This is Kabungawan, Burgos, Pangasinan. Ayan. Maganda po yung dagat kasi malinis yung water, and then konti lang yung tao pa. Unlike other beaches na it's loaded and it's full of people. But here you can see the beach, guys.
Ito ba? Alamat yung malo.
This is Kabungawan Beach cover.
Ano nung umihi ako? Tanggal? Lalo na nung umihi ako, tanggal talaga. Tanggal yung tama ko nung umihi ako.
Tingnan niyo po yung buhangin niya. It's so clear. It's so fine. Then, the water is so clear. Ito po tayo doon sa sinasabing death pool. It's the last week of the year and we got the chance to see this wonderful beach. Then guys, ito yung rock formation dito sa Kabungawan Beach. You can see rock, different kinds, different formation of rocks. Then look at the corals. And then the water is so clear. It's really refreshing. It's really a paradise. Napakalinis po ng dagat. Talagang makikita nyo po, it's very clear. It's very clean, and talagang napaka-wonderful ng place. Worth it yung pagbiyahe nyo ng matagal kasi talagang makikita mo yung ganda ng dagat dito. So from the beach front, it will take around 10 minutes para marating nyo po yung mismong sinasabi nilang death pool. Pero according to our mga kasama na nauna doon, medyo malalim na raw. Maalon na. Kaya, they can no longer swim doon sa death pool na sinasabi. But let us try to see pa rin for you to see how beautiful it was. Alright, look at the formation of rocks, guys. It's so wonderful. Struggle lang, guys, yung pagpunta doon kasi medyo masakit sa paa kapag nag-walk ka. Talagang you will struggle. And you need to be very careful. Kasi, once na mali yung apak mo, pwede kang madulas. And of course, mabagsak ka sa batuhan. So, konting syaga na lang, guys. Makakarating na tayo dun sa death pool. And then later on, you will see the beauty of death pool here at Burgos, Pangasinan, Kabungawan Beach. So this is the beauty of Burgos, Pangasinan. Ayun yung death pool, guys. Ayun, wait. That's it. Sumasabay siya sa alon kasi. And that is also the Mary Hill. Ayun. So yan po. Yun ang death pool. That one. Ano ba? Yun. So this can only be found here in Burgos, Pangasinan po. Kabungawan Beach. So if you guys look for a very nice beach here in Pangasinan, you can visit Kabungawan Beach here at Burgos, Pangasinan. And we have a lot of different beach pa po na pwede nyo pong puntahan kasi magkakatabi lang po ito. We have Agno, we have Dasol, we have Anda, Bulinaw, and all. So that's it for today, guys. I hope to see you soon and enjoy traveling with me. This is the last travel that I got for 2020. Even it's lockdown, na-push natin. So hope you enjoy my vlog for today and you see the beauty of Pangasinan. So bye, guys. And if happens that you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to tap the subscribe button and of course the notification bell para ma-update kayo kung bago tayong travel vlog and other videos. So that's it for today, guys. Enjoy watching and Happy New Year to everybody! So yun, guys. Meron pang underwater. So yun. The water is so clear. Tingnan nyo naman. Wala akong masabi sa water niya. Talagang malinis siya. And it's really wonderful to have a water here. Doon po yung dagat. So right now guys, nandito ako sa parang kuweba. And wala kong pupunta dito. Obviously ako lang. So see, diba? Napakaganda po. Talagang you will enjoy here. Ayan. So much more planned naman tayo today. Mag-travel vlog naman tayo. Ayan. Nag-i-enjoy na ako maligo. Shucks, sa lamig ng water, guys. I'm so happy that this year, nakamit ko yung goal ko na makapagdagat at least bago matapos yung taon. And I'm really enjoying. It's my second time, pero parang newcomer pa rin ako dito. So ayan, so I hope nag-enjoy kayo, guys, na manood sa ating travel vlog. Seagrass. So ano mo ba? Pero maalan kasi. Play ako ng water. Wala akong masabi sa cleanliness ng tubig. It's really a good place to see. If you happen to visit Pangasinan, don't forget to visit Burgos, guys. And I'm sure you can enjoy your stay here. Ayan. May mga beach goers din dito na kasama natin ngayon. Ayan. Taga saan po kayo? Hi, from Bayambang, from Balongo naman po ako. guys from Bayambang. So if you happen to visit my YouTube channel po, pakisubscribe. Recollection po. Opo. There is also getting here. So it's so nice. This is so great. Ayan, buti pumunta kayo dito. Hinihintay nyo yung Deadpool doon, wala boring doon. Ayaw nyo yung magpakita kasi malalim na. Kaya dito na lang sa Secret Lagoon. They are from Bayambang.
Hello!
From Balunga. Guys, wala akong masabi sa water. So clear. The water is so crystal. Recollection po yung YouTube channel ko. Opo. Kung may time po kayo pa, subscribe po. Ayan guys. Pagagaling natin sa may Deadpool pero hindi siya nagpakita kasi medyo malakas yung alon. Pero anyways. Masaya pa rin naman yung walk kasi marami rin tayo nakita. The sunset is getting near. And later on, magta-time-lapse tayo ng sunset. Dito sa Burgos. Ayan si Marix. Marix, say hi! Ayan, yung mutya ng Burgos po. Siya po yung reigning mutya ng Burgos. Kasi magmula po nung 1901, wala nang sumunod na pageant. Kaya hanggang yung reigning pa rin siya. Kaway naman dyan! Ayan. Siya po yung